What is the present simple? The present simple is a verb tense that talks about two things. First, present fact talks about something that is true in the present. Two, regular actions talks about actions that happen regularly, such as routines. If we look at the first example of present facts, the structure is as follows. We're going to have our subject plus verb to be plus object. Now the options for the verb to be are am, is, and are. Positive examples. I am in Malta. She is in the car. He is at the gym. They are in a Zoom lesson. We are at the bar. Now, if we look at negative examples, we can see that we need to do the following. Subject plus am not, is not, are not, plus object. So those are your options. We can say, I am not at Lidl, she is not at home, he is not here, they are not on the train, we are not at the game. If we look at the second way that we can use the present simple with regular actions, the structure is subject plus verb plus object. We have positive examples such as I shop at Lidl, she goes to work by train, he watches Netflix after work, they play every Friday evening, we meet twice a week. The negative structure, and this is for something that doesn't happen, is subject plus do not, such as don't, does not or doesn't, plus verb plus object. The negative examples are as follows. I do not shop there. She does not drive to work. He does not play golf. They do not live there. We do not play there. Video challenge. Which present simple talks about a regular action and which one talks about a present fact? 1. James is at the supermarket. 2. Michelle swims at the weekends. Which one is which? That's correct. The first one is a present fact. And number 2 is a regular action. Can you now make the sentences negative? That's correct. For the first one, we cross out is and we write James is not at the supermarket. For number 2, we cross out swims and we write Michelle does not swim at the weekends. Can you create your own examples of the present simple? Like the video, subscribe to the channel and visit our website to find out how you can have English lessons in Malta. Thanks for watching and learn English in Malta with us.